I'm going to give you a tour of our room because I'm so excited. Look at this bathroom. Oh my goodness. Too bad it wasn't jet tub, right? I know, don't complain. Don't complain. We're not complaining. Okay, so that's just the bathroom. So now we're walking in. Say hi, honey. Okay. What is this, a closet? With robes?
I found buttons.
I found, just wait, look at the bed. Oh,
Ready for this?
it's comfy.
Pushing the button.
You're pushing the button? Well, just wait. What are you doing pushing buttons?
Oh.
Okay, push the button. Got like a little, our own little like area. Oh, the button. It.
Found it.
Huh?
That's sheer open.
Oh my gosh, look at this view. Oh, hello, Vegas.
Oh, right across the street from Senior Frogs.
What is that? Fashion show. Oh, last time we stayed at the Wynn. Remember, it's right down there.
Yeah.
It has that sliding thing, and we walked across that bridge. We took a picture over there.
At the end of that escalator.
Yeah. We are at the Palazzo. I guess I didn't even do that check-in. It's kind of weird getting used to the time change. I have no idea who is at the pool. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's nice, like, what is this, like our 10th trip? Like, we love traveling, and then when I found out we could travel for free, I mean, like, earn it. Like, we have to earn our trip. So we work hard and earn our trips.
Where's my pasty white Minnesotans?
3 trips a year. This is amazing. Like, we get treated so well. Have you guys ever stayed at the Palazzo? I have no idea what we're going to do tonight. We thought about maybe going to a show. Just so much stuff. Oh! So we found out that EDC is here. Oh, I already forgot what it means. It's some Daisy thing, but it's electronic music. There's like electronic music festival here at the Raceway. And it got canceled because of COVID last year. So people who bought tickets in 2019 rolled over to this year. And there's going to be like, they're expecting like 230 to 400,000 people in Vegas this weekend. Like, isn't that insane? That is insane. So many people. But we're so glad to be here. We landed early. Then we had to wait on the tarmac. And then we got into Vegas. We waited an hour for our baggage. So, gosh, I haven't flown Spirit in such a long time. It's definitely no United or American. And we got here, and they had said that our room wasn't going to be available till almost 5 because we're early check-in. But they have it available, and it's amazing. Are you in the minibar already?
Yeah.
We met some awesome friends on the plane who bought us some drinks. They're excited to go to EDC, but we are in Vegas for the weekend. And the best part about these trips is not only seeing like our friends from other states, Washington, Oregon, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Florida, but we only have like one work event, which is like a party, and that's tomorrow night, and we get free drink tickets, and they're going to announce new products. So I know we have a detox launching, and they already announced our next getaways in Punta Cana in February, and that's just what I live for. I love traveling. Like, before we had kiddos, we traveled so much, and then when we had kiddos and went into medical debt, I was like, oh my gosh, we're never going to be able to travel again. And now here we are on our 10th free getaway. It's amazing. It is so amazing. If I can do this, you can do this. If Nick can do this, you can do this. So stay tuned for all our adventures. If you want to add me on Snapchat, message me. I'll give you my Snapchat code. It's usually, I always post there first and then kind of trickles through Instagram and Facebook. So shout out to Miss Randy. Thank you for watching our kiddos. We appreciate you so we can have an adult weekend. I love my kiddos. I love my family. You guys know that. But when we can have some adult time, it always just fills my cup. So bye guys. Talk to you later.